The Senate of the National Association of Kwara State Students, NACS, says or has asked the State House of Assembly to name the International Aviation College after the Senate President, Bukola Saraki. The NACS Senate also passed a vote of confidence on Saraki, the Speaker, Kwara State House of Assembly, Ali Ahmad, and the Assembly for their responsiveness to the yearnings of the people. The Students' Legislature made this known in its resolutions during a special session held at the State House of Assembly, hallowed chamber, to commemorate the 56th birthday of the Senate President.
I believe we are also following his footstep, and the way they have been doing it, I wish you all the best. So I would like a senator to please raise a motion of passing a vote of confidence on both the distinguished Senate President and the Speaker of the House of Assembly, Right Honorable Ali Ahmad.
I therefore raise on this good afternoon to raise the motion, to move a motion that the House pass a vote of confidence on the distinguished Senator Dr. Abubakar Bukola Saraki and the Right Honorable Dr. Ali Ahmed, as well as the Kwara State House of Assembly. I therefore
Aviation College or the National Airport Military should be named after our distinguished senator, our leader, the blessing of our state, Senator Abubakar Bukola Saraki.